Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm doing a very quick and easy coconut ice recipe. If you want to mold it, you can with these different types of shapers and plungers and Malaysian cutters. I just did mine the ordinary way where I rolled it out. You can also cut them into squares. First, I added some condensed milk, followed by some sifted icing sugar. And this will just help remove any lumps. Mix all together and then you can proceed to add your desiccated coconut. Once you've mixed thoroughly, you can then start adding some food coloring. You can choose any color you wish. I'm adding a red, but just a little bit so it gives me a nice pink tone. Thereafter, you can either add some vanilla essence or some rose essence, whatever your preference. And you want to get a nice thick mixture. At any point, if you find that it's too sticky, all you need to do is just add a little extra icing sugar or some desiccated coconut, one or the other or both in fact, and it will definitely not be as sticky and it will be easier to handle. Once you're done, you can set it aside or you can put it overnight in the fridge or for a couple hours in the fridge and then cut them into squares. Today I'm just using a little bit of butter on my hands so it's easier to roll. I'm rolling them up in some balls and I'm popping them onto some cupcake foils so they don't stick. I then put them all into a container and put it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning it's nicely set. It's got a lovely texture and is very delicious. Here's Yavi having the first one as soon as it got out of the fridge, and he was very impressed. He snuck a second one without me looking, but it was really delightful. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share. And your comments are always welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. Lots of love, Selena.